Yes, people, welcome to Alien TV. Yeah, man, like and subscribe, you know what I mean? Bob Marley song playing right now, the Redemption song. I don't have the rights to this song, but it's my song, you know? Now, as you can see, every year we celebrate independence in Jamaica, but are we really free? Are the black people really free in the Caribbean islands? Is the black man free in the world, you know what I mean? Are we free in Jamaica as we should be free? Have the rights that the slaves fought for, like, you know what I mean, Marcus Garvey, Nani, Bogle, Sam Sharp and Taki. Have black people been living good in Jamaica, or they have sold out Jamaica to the Queen, or maybe to Japan or China, or to the highest bidder, you know what I mean? Because we are still under the colonial rule, you know what I mean? I don't see where Jamaicans are free. They are banning dreadlocks from school. Banning the children from school because of their natural hair. Their natural hair. They fight against Rasta. For so many years I see Peter Touch advocating for the legalization of marijuana. No, marijuana has been legalized and nobody look at Peter Touch and praise him and commend him for his works. Nor Bob Marley, nor Jacob Miller, nor Garnet Sid, nor all the Rastafarians and musicians who participated doing their music and advocating for the legalization of marijuana. Now look at Montego Bay, look at Ochirias, look at Negri, look at those tourist industries. Do you think the people who are working in the tourist industries are making money? I'm not talking about Mr. Bush Stewart. I'm not talking about those who own the hotel chains and all that in the Caribbean. I'm talking about the people who are working there, the chef, the butler, the people who clean the room, the people who, you know what I mean, cook the food and everything. Do you think those people are even making $300 for every 2 weeks they work? These people are underpaid. They give them the minimum wage. And what minimum wage means, the least I can pay you for your hard work. That's what minimum wage means, Jamaica people. All tourists who come to Jamaica and to the other Caribbean islands, you should know that people who are attending to you, those workers are not being paid. They are underpaid. And you guys should advocate and be outspoken about it. Ask, can they accept tip? Do you know that most of the free beaches in Jamaica are now no longer free? They are being sold to private investors overseas. Now black people can no longer just walk up on the free beach where our ancestors then fight for Marcus Garvey, Bob Marley, Nani, Bogle. Divide and rule is them concept and them policy. Divide and rule. I saw Chronics saying Sizzla is better than Buju Banton and Capleton. We don't need that in reggae music right now. We don't need Rasta to be fighting against Rasta. We need black people to unite, to advocate for equal rights and justice for the people in the diaspora. You know what I mean? They fight against marijuana for so long and claim that people who smoke marijuana are crazy. No, even the highest doctors and scientists in the world are talking about these medicinal uses of marijuana. Canada, America, a lot of other countries, Amsterdam, are making millions of marijuana while the people in Jamaica are suffering. We are suffering in Jamaica, yet the world is known. Everybody in the world knows Jamaica for marijuana. Knows about Jamaicans for marijuana through Bob Marley. They use Rasta to advertise their tourism and yet they do not like Rasta. The hypocrisy which we live in the colonial state which we are still in, yet we celebrate independence every year and think we are independent. Now, my people, that's just my concept and my opinion. I don't think we are free. And I think they continue to sell out the country every chance they get. They sell out the people's rights. And the Jamaican people need to open their eyes and hail the Almighty and start praying and fasting, because we are in deep mere. We are in a deep pit and no one is looking out for us, because everyone who goes into office or into power, no matter how good they are, they cannot change the narrative unless we the people come together and change it. Just like the slaves who used to rebel back on the plantation when they were tired of being slaved, enslaved, whipped, raped, lynched. You know what I mean? We seem to be a set of people who have been complacent to the atrocities of what they've been doing to our people for over the years. The Middle Passage, slavery. You know what I mean? We have not been compensated for nothing, for none of the works. The 40 acres of mule they promised the people in the slave time in America, they have not delivered. And yet when we advocate for these things, we cannot get it. Like and subscribe.